The storm has intensified to a Category 5 with sustained winds of 160 miles per hour. Its latest target was the island of Dominica. Maria made landfall there just a few hours ago.
The prime minister of that island gave a terrifying account on Facebook. The roof torn off of his own home. At one point, he posted this ominous three-word message: rough, rough, rough.
A little earlier to the south, we saw these images of Maria's ferocity on the island of Martinique as the winds and surf picked up.
Moving north, the U.S. Virgin Islands are preparing for the storm's arrival. President Trump already declaring a state of emergency as up to 20 inches of rain could pound the island chain.
A state of emergency has also been declared in Puerto Rico. Maria is expected to arrive there on Wednesday, 2 weeks after Hurricane Irma killed at least 3 people there.
And on the east coast of the United States, millions of Americans are bracing for the effects of Hurricane Jose.
Right now, it's a Category 1, and its effects are being felt from the Carolinas up to Massachusetts, including some areas hard hit by Hurricane Sandy 5 years ago. Here's ABC's Lindsay Janis.
Along the East Coast, Jose bringing angry surf and warnings to beachgoers.
I would stay out of the water today because the outgoing tide can suck you right out.
The center of Jose well offshore, already flooding roads in the Outer Banks. Heavy equipment being used to build protective dunes, and first responders being put on alert all the way to New England. Jose could bring winds topping 50 miles an hour and waves up to 15 feet to areas that were ravaged by Superstorm Sandy in 2012.
We were concerned yesterday with just people walking along the shoreline being hit by the shore break at that high tide.
Many beaches banning swimming and surfing altogether.
You never know what kind of surprises are in store, so we're going to prepare for the worst and hope for the best.
Another concern, beach erosion. The mayor here says this community and many others are in desperate need of more sand in order to protect homes and businesses. Lindsay Janis, ABC News, Belmar, New Jersey.
Thanks, Lindsay. And Hurricane Maria is actually smaller than Jose, but it has more potential to do heavy damage.
The next 48 hours could be devastating for Puerto Rico and the U.S. Virgin Islands. AccuWeather's Paul Williams tracking the storms. Paul.
Good morning, Candace, Diane. What we have now is a Category 5 hurricane and Maria. Real quick note. Maria was a Category 3 last night, then jumped from a 3 up to a 5, literally, within one cycle of information, and we're expecting it to hit Puerto Rico as a Category 4 at the very least. Very strong winds accelerating beyond 156 miles per hour. So, as a Category 5, then will be downgraded to a Category 4 as it moves directly across Puerto Rico. We're expecting a direct hit of Puerto Rico. Now, as far as Jose is concerned, still a very strong storm, and we're expecting heavy seas, rough surf, coastal flooding, strong rip currents, and gusty winds as a result of Jose continue to move to the north and will stay in the vicinity for the next few days. Candace, Diane.
All right, we're going to keep an eye on Jose and, of course, Maria as well, Paul. But next to Atlanta and